might not be what you expect from me, but we are here today to do one thing and one thing only. Open up this and set it up. Alright. Well, let's get to it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Alright, let's get this open. Wait, hold on, let me just make sure. Yeah. And yep. Alright, let's open this up. Woo! Oh yeah, something I almost forgot. Let me go ahead and... Wait, hold on. Grab the link and put it on my Discord. Because I have a new Discord right down here. Alright. That's all good. Alright. Let's set it up. Whoa, this is big. This is big. Put that on the floor there. This is big. Here. I'm gonna point the camera over so you guys can see this. This is big. Woo! Bambu A1 Quick Start, which is the instruction manual. Don't need that. New Bambu Lab plate. That is nice. I'll put that over there for the moment. And take this out of its casing. Okay. Immediately we get the holder for it. Got the filament holder. gladly open up carefully. All right. There we go. One filament holder. Acquired. And here is the A1 itself. One. Part and whoa, okay. Accessories. Get this. It comes in two parts. It comes in two parts. It comes in two parts. That is insane. And then we got some extra filament and the filament tube. Two parts though. Dang. Alright. Let's get this thing set up. So that's our screen. How do I want to approach this? I'll take off these foam pieces. Actually, can I just take off the foam? And then it'll come off by itself? Is that possible? Or it's just come off by itself? Oh yeah, totally possible. Totally possible to take off the foam and the things will come off by itself. Okay. Those of you who are new to 3D printing, I mean, when you start printing things, you don't print it directly on this. This is your hotbed. Okay? You take your plate, you turn it the correct orientation, which should be this little curve at the top, and then this thing at the bottom. You put this in, slide it in, and then drop it. Okay. I'm not gonna put it on directly quite yet, though. Because I still need to carefully undo these. Yeah, I immediately scratched it. Great. That's why I said I'm being careful with it. That's why I'm trying to be careful. Alright. Those can go in there. And this is kind of my first time setting up a 3D printer, though. I've used one definitely, but it's my first time setting it up, so I kind of have to think about this. Oh. That's interesting. It works by gravity as well as the mechanics. Okay. I'm assuming this goes on here somehow. Maybe? No. Not really look like that. Huh. Well, that box is like the perfect size for that motor. So I assume I just shove it on there like so. Oh yeah. That's exactly how it's supposed to be. And then I'll take the build plate and put it on. This, I'm not sure. Alright, but let's see here. We have our tools right here when needed. But I don't need them right now. What I do need to do right now is figure out where this cable goes. Let's see. Type C cord. It looks like it can go up front here, but at the same time, no. Oh, that's cool. It comes with an SD card. It comes with an SD card. That's nice. Wait, where's that? Okay, there's that. Actually, I think this is supposed to go in here, potentially. Is that the right size for that? No, that's not the right size for that. Oh wait, hold on. I think this goes on here. Wait. I think that's supposed to. Yeah, that's supposed to cleanly snap onto the top there. Okay. And if I push in that, something's the front plate's supposed to come up. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. There's one thing I missed. Actually, okay. That one I don't have to use my knife for. Oh, that's the sensor. Well, that's cool. Um, that's cool and all, but I'm still trying to figure out where this plugs into. Okay, past me. Maybe I do need that instruction. Mule? Wait. Is that just... Did that just go right into there? Wait, no. Doesn't seem right. How's this working? How's this gonna work? Thanks me from earlier for throwing away the instruction manual. Where is this gonna go? I mean, I guess I could just start by turning it on. Let me grab the... I need to go grab a cord here. I'll be right back. Alright. So it's in the styrofoam somewhere. Aha! Gotcha now, little fucker. I also have another piece which I'm supposed to have. Alongside the power cord, there's another little piece I'm supposed to have somewhere. Oh. Oh, that's supposed to go on the side. That's supposed to go on the side. That's supposed to go on the side to clean off the tip. So that goes right there. There's our fresh power cord. I have two views. I guess no one's really interested in watching me open unbox a 3D printer, but that's fair. Question: how do I reach that over there? Okay, I guess I can. Yeah, but that table's more stable though. How do I? Oh wait, hold on. There's a longer one just sitting under my desk. I don't have to use the one that came in the box. There's a longer 3-pin cord that's just sitting under my desk for no reason. Ah. Alright. I have power. We're supposed to have power. Huh. I think... Oh! Bambu Labs, unleash your creativity. Start. Okay. Actually, here. I am going to... You know what? I am going to take this and move it over. Or move it to where you guys can see the screen. Bambu Labs, unleash your creativity. Start. English. North America. Alright, select Wi-Fi. Actually, you guys can't see that at all. I don't know I'm covering it. Yeah. Now we're connected. I will skip logging in for now. I agree. Agree. Alright. Remove screws. For what and for why? I guess I don't need to. Okay. Alright. It's going to run through its calibration. I still don't know what this cord leads to, but it's going to run through its calibration here. Calibration failed. The motor self-check failed. Huh. You know, here, let me... Okay, I'm going to turn off the microphone and the camera just for a moment. I have just gained advice. This is supposed to go under the bed before everything was plugged in. Yeah. That would help. Alright. Off. Unplug. And let me go and lift this up. This is apparently supposed to connect to the bottom. Ah. I see. Okay. That would have been useful to know from the start. Here. Let me... That would have been useful to know from the start. Okay. Actually, before I plug that in, I think I'm supposed to... somehow have that turned like that. So I can screw that in. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna grab this. That's right there. And we're just going to turn that, screw that in. Let's go ahead and... Oh, wait. Yeah, that would have been helpful. And now I have to unscrew that. So I can plug that in. That's supposed to be plugged in. Okay. And now we can... I hate this. life. How long have I been streaming? Half an hour. Alright, now I can plug this in. I said now I can plug this in. Alright. Dang. Oh yeah, and there's also supposedly also supposedly screws I need. Yeah, what's this little panel here? To access something, I don't know. Okay, now we should be good to plug it back in. Should be good to plug it back in. Start English, North America, Wi-Fi. Connect. And fail to connect. Okay, when is it gonna... Should connect now. Please. What do you mean you failed to connect? I put it in right. Okay. Guess I'm not doing network right now. Policies, agree. Improved experience, agree. Nah. Alright, calibration, start. Failed. Z-axis failed. Okay, it's up and down. They're failed. I wonder what could be wrong. Assistant? Okay. Or phone. Okay. Bambu Handy app. Sign in with Google. Why is my camera glitching out? Alright. Scan QR code. Alright. No, not the HMS. Okay, I guess it's the HMS. We're looking for motors or Z-axis. Motor ZX. Yep, that's my problem. Alright. Power off. And unplug. Oh. Well, where is the Z-axis motor? Or where's the Z? Where's the Z cable? Where's the cable for the Z-axis? What the? Where's the cable for the Z-axis? Is that the? Where's the Z-axis motor or cable? Is that the? Oh. Okay. I don't know what's just sitting there. Okay. That's odd. Why is it sitting there taped down? I don't know. I mean, that's an easy fix, but question is, why is it just sitting there taped down? That was interesting. That was an interesting experience. Alright, let's try this one more time. Everything is plugged in properly. Okay. Please. Yes! It started. Don't worry about the noises. It normally does that. 3D printers normally make noises like this. Okay, just because it failed does not mean 3D printers normally make noise like that, okay? But yes, we got it working! Okay. That took 45 minutes, and I will see you in the next stream.